Hello, in our second video where I'm going to take you in the n8n flow that I use to automate my blog posting. So this is the n8n flow that automates my entire blog process. We have 4 or 5 commands: generate, approve, reject, preview. Let me walk you through exactly how it works node by node. So everything starts here, the switch route node. This is the brain of the entire workflow. Every time I send a command on Telegram, this node reads it and routes it to the right flow. Generate goes up, approve goes into the middle, reject and preview, and the fallback each has its own path. One webhook, 4 completely independent flows. No separate workflows, no duplicate triggers. When I send generate, the flow starts here. First, TJ Starting sends me an acknowledgement on Telegram so I know the flow is running. Then, read blog sheet pulls my content calendar from Google Sheets. Find pending rows scans the sheet and find the first row where status equal pending. Has pending, this is an if node. If there is a pending row, it goes right and continues. If there is nothing pending, it drops down and TJ's no pending sends me a message saying the calendar is empty. Clean error handling. Now, assuming there is a pending row, the flow continues. Build search query takes the primary keyword from the sheet and construct 2 separate Google search queries. Then these 2 nodes run in parallel. Search link 1 and search link 2 both hit the Serper API simultaneously, finding 2 authoritative external links based on the posts keyword automatically. No manual research, no copy-pasting URLs. Merge external links combine both search results into one subject. Prepare Anthropic Body. This is where the Claude prompt is built. It pulls everything from the sheet: title, primary keywords, supporting keywords, competitors' H2s, PAA questions, internal links, and combines it with the external links into one complete prompt. Claude generates hits the Anthropic API and generates the full SEO post in HTML, 1500 to 2000 words, structured and ready. Claude OK checks if the API call succeeded. If it fails, TJ Claude failed, send me an error on Telegram, built-in fault tolerance. If it succeeds, then parse Claude response, extract the 3 header lines Claude output, meta, SEO title, keywords, then saves everything back to the Google Sheet. TJ Summary send me the preview on Telegram with the post ID, title, keyword, meta description, and the first 800 character of the content. Moving on to approve. When I send approve on Telegram, the switch route send it to the flow. Read sheet for command reads the sheet again. Pick in review for chat, find the row with status in review, and CMD resume lookup OK. Check if that row exists. If not, TJCMD message tells me there is nothing to approve. Build WordPress from sheet pulls all the post data, full HTML content, title, slug, meta description, focus keyword, and structure it for WordPress. TJ creation draft send me a message so I know the WordPress API call is happening. WordPress constant set the static value, category ID, author, post status, so I don't have to hard code them inside every node. Then the WordPress create draft hit the WordPress REST API and create the draft with full RankMath data already populated, focus keyword, meta, OG title, Twitter title, robots, index follows, all set. WP OK, which is WordPress OK, check if the WordPress call succeeded. If it fails, TG WP failed, send me the error immediately. If it succeeded, sheet draft created, update the Google Sheet to done, saves the WordPress post ID and timestamp. TJ done, send me the confirmation on Telegram with everything that was automated. 2 more flows at the bottom. Preview. This one TJ preview chunks send me the next 800 character of the post content. Build next nodes, calculate the offset. Sheet bump preview offset updates the position in the sheet. So I can read through the entire post 800 character at a time directly in Telegram without opening a browser. The reject is simplest flow. Find in review row, mark it as rejected, and send me a confirmation. That's it. Clean and handled. A few things that I want to highlight about how this is built. 1. Everything is handled inside n8n. No Zapier, no make, no external glue. If a node fails, I know exactly where and why. 2. Fault tolerance on every critical step. Claude fails, Telegram alert. WordPress fail, Telegram alert. Nothing happened, Telegram alert. Every pass is handled. 3. The human stays in the loop. Generate produces, I review. Approve publishes, I control when. This is not autopilot, it's assisted publishing. That's the full flow. 4 commands, everything from keyword to WordPress draft, automated. Next video, I go deep on the Claude prompt structure, exactly what I send to the API and why the output is already formatted for RankMath and FAQ schema. Subscribe so you don't miss it. Full workflow available at collium.co, link in the bio. It was Badr. See you on the next video.